Welcome back to Aqua Platicodon. Today we're discussing another common scam that targets homeowners, handyman and lawn care scams. In this scam, individuals claiming to be handymen or lawn care professionals offer services at a low price, only to demand more money or provide poor quality work. Let's take a closer look at how this scam works. Here's a real example. In Texas, scammers approached residents offering discounted tree trimming services. After cutting a few branches, they claimed they found dangerous issues with the trees that needed immediate attention and demanded hundreds of dollars more. Some residents paid, but the work was either poorly done or left unfinished, leaving them to pay for real professionals afterward. To protect yourself, always verify a handyman's or lawn care worker's credentials before allowing them to begin work. Check for licenses, look up reviews, and get a written estimate. Legitimate companies won't pressure you with sudden, urgent claims. Thanks for watching Aqua Platicodon. Stay tuned for more videos in our series on door-to-door scams, where we'll cover other types of fraud, including fake insurance offers and energy-saving scams. Stay informed and stay safe. See you in the next video.